Bluebird Industries have always been targeted to research and development and have now designed a new range of brush cutters able to meet the needs of any users and to satisfy wide-ranging requirements and working demands. The new line has been designed with the advice of all those who use these machines in the woods, in the parks, in the gardens, and thus special care has been paid to vital matters such as safety, ergonomic features, and quality standards. Thus, noise and vibrations have been reduced as a further result. Modern and innovative design. Easy and safe refueling thanks to the enlarged mouth of the fuel tank and the new fuel cap, which allows the tightness in any work position. Silenced muffler. Pinion of gear case with double bearing. New anti-vibrating system. Ergonomic handle. Professional knapsack for a perfect weight distribution on the back. It is equipped with a quick coupler and tools case. Easier starting thanks to the decompression valve.